right? Then the modified parameter group, very useful for troubleshooting. These will be all the parameters that have been changed from factory defaults. And the auto tune, you have to perform an auto tune with any vector control mode of the Series 4 drive. We'll address that again later. And then I'll cruise down to Diagnostic Tools. Okay. Let's take a look at the fault log. So I scroll down. I'm going to open it up. And if you'll notice, this is the fault. And now in the diagnostic tool area, it gives you the time, the date of when this particular fault occurred, which is very useful as far as aligning a profile of what might be happening with respect to the drive's functionality. And hit the back key and the home key.